Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to actually share with you all some amazing news. A few videos ago, actually, this video right here, a few videos ago I posted where I was getting dressed for the day and I was going to meet with a reporter for the New York Post newspaper article that they was doing about women who wear wigs, which was this video right here. Well, I'm super excited to let you all know that the article has now been published and I'm in the paper. I'm in the style and beauty section on page 27 and I'm gonna show it to you in just a second. You're seeing this video. I know it's clearly too late for you that's watching this video to be able to get your hand on the paper to get a read for the article. However, when the article went published online first, and if you're connected with me throughout my social media, I did post it, and quite a number of you, I was taken back, but quite a number of you did go and click on the link, and you did read the article, and a lot of you was commenting back about the article, and we had the whole dialogue going on women who wear wigs and this, that, and the third. So I'm here today to just show you that one, it printed in the paper. I'm so excited, and that for those who have missed seeing the online print version, I will include the link down in the description box below. That way you'll be able to click and get a read for the article. But without further ado, here's my article. Now, the first thing I noticed was, look how big my picture is compared to you know who. No, look how big my picture is next to Kim Kardashian. Oh my gosh, she's such an iconic woman anyway. I mean, she has had her nays and yays of, whatever her career standards has been. However, she's aspiring to be a lawyer now, and I commend her for that. And so, the article is right here, and this is me in the article, and then they have her over there about her wearing that particular wig and me wearing my love for wigs and whatnot. It's a good read. I'm not going to take up much of your time. I just want to come on here and thank every single one of you, because without you all, me being found and even doing this article would not have been possible. And this is what I was saying a few videos ago, that how no matter what you do in life, don't ever get discouraged by other people's limitations. If I would have been the one that listened to other people's limitations and owned other people's shortcomings, I would have never been seen. I would have never had this article printed, and I would never be here, standing here talking to you all today. So I want to really thank you all. So if you are an official Glam Doll, that means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, and you've been with me for a long time. I'm so humble and appreciative for each and every one of your support. And if you happen to be a newbie passing by, seeing me for the very first time, my name is Miss Glamour Addict. Everybody calls me Glam, and I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look, and who also loves wearing wigs, okay? Because I got on one right here. Seriously speaking though, I just want to jump on here to show you all that the article has been published. The link to it will be down in the description box below. And like I said, if you're a newbie passing through, you see me for the very first time, hit that subscribe button. Join in on this amazing official Glam Doll community. That way you can stay in the know for any updates or future videos that I may post. Don't forget, I did tell you all that I had a personal goal I wanted to reach by the end of 2019. Before December 31st of 2019, I would like the community to grow to at least 20,000 Glam Dolls. As of today, we got, I think, 16.4 and change, or maybe 16.5. I would love to see that number get to 20,000 officially subscribed Glam Dolls before December 31st of 2019. And in order for that to happen, I encourage you to subscribe. Seriously speaking, this is concluding the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. This article will be linked down below, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.